Hello, my name is Jordi Sebastián. I'm a member of the European Parliament for Compromís and Primavera Europea, European Spring. As a Valencian and a member of the Valencian Nationalist Bloc and the European Free Alliance, I want to address the people of Scotland who are voting on their future and freedom next September the 18th. We believe in democracy. We believe in people taking charge of their own decisions and building a shared future from the bottom up. And so, we believe in the right to self-determination as an expression of radical democracy. The people of Scotland can choose a better future, a future built with their own hands. They can choose a fair economy, a fair education, a fair society. From all over Europe and the world, our eyes are on Scotland because you are making history by opening ways to improve democracy and the people's power. And for this, we are all very proud of you. And so, I strongly encourage you, the Scottish people, to say yes to freedom, yes to the future, yes to democracy, yes to Europe, yes to Scotland.